How to change your username and display name on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can very easily change your username as well as your display name on TikTok. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the TikTok app if you see an update button there. Once you've updated the app, simply go over and then open up TikTok. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is actually going to look like. Now what you have to do is, first of all, you have to simply come to your profile page, and as soon as you come to your profile page, you'll basically see a list of all these options. What you have to do is simply, I will show you differences. The name which you see at the very top is actually our display name, and the name which you see over here, which people search for, is our username. So if you want to change both username and display name, I'll show you that. You simply have to go to this option which says edit profile. As soon as you tap on edit profile, you have to go to the option. If you want to change the display name, tap on name, and over here you can change your display name to your full name or any of the changes, and you can tap on the save button. Or else you could basically come back and tap on username, and then you have to change it to the username which you want to change to. You can see your multiple variations, and your profile link is also going to be changed with your username. And this is simply how you can change the display name as well as the username on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.